Waking up to see the sun, a brand new day has just begun. Feeling like my spirit's free, it's all so clear in front of me.
Hi folks, Lone Wolf here once again. About this, a bit of a scoop for the Lone Wolf. You don't get many. Yesterday, Wednesday, I was going up to Sydney's in Wolverhampton, America, to book a test ride on the GS 450 that I'm very interested in buying myself next week, next Tuesday, when the first time they were going to release the bike for test rides. So I went up just on the off chance to speak to somebody. Lo and behold, I get to this shop, and what's there? It's right in front of me, a brand new white GS book. So this is the new 450. And we're going to be trying the test one. And hopefully I may buy one, subject to figures coming right. And once I've tried it, tyres might be a bit not to my liking, but there again. I decided to start doing some off-roading again. This is the 450 Racing. Okay. Black. He wasn't even on their system, so they couldn't even book me a ride on it for next week. I did speak to him at length over it and found out that there are very few being built and sent to the country. Each supplier, I believe, is only getting 15. And they don't know what they're going to be, whether they're going to be trophies or whether they're going to be the sport or whether they're going to be the basic. So I spoke to him about it and I said, if I do a deal Tuesday after I ride it, when can I get it? And they said, you'll probably get one in early July. But what you would get would be, if you want a trophy, you'll get the trophy and that's it. Crash bars, nav prep, anything else, what we have to do with them is buy them in through the sales accessory side, and then hopefully they'll come here when the bike gets here and we build it all for you. Or you get the bike and then you order them and then you have them put on afterwards. So that's just a bit of an heads up on it. Have a look at it. Quite impressed I was with it, I must admit. I'm just a little bit tippy-toey on it. Not as bad as I thought, but I got me very flat riding boots on, me very flat summer boots on, and got me adventure time boots on. So have a look, see what you think, and drop us a line in the comments. So till the next time, it's a Lone Wolf ride saying bye for now, and don't forget, just you be careful out there. Oh, don't forget, give us a tick, give us a like, subscribe. We might be going somewhere with this, so let's see how we get on, shall we? Oh, don't forget, by the way, HE stuff, AOC, summer discount, 25%. Get yourself a bargain, a real summer bargain. And if you're having a C3 or a C3 Pro, you even get free screen protector. Right, that's it all done. So, I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.